Good morning, 10th class student. Please be ready with your copies, children, because today we'll be writing the notes of nationalism in India. I'm not making you all mark in the book since you all are not present in the class. Otherwise, we would have marked in the book itself. So to make your work easier, we are going to write it down. Is that clear? So keep your copies ready. Keep your books also ready in front of you all so that you do not make any mistake and start writing. My speed will be suitable for you all so that you all can write perfectly. Okay, write the heading History, Lesson 2, Nationalism in India. History, Lesson 2, Nationalism in India. Write the first heading, Introduction. Introduction. First point, development of modern nationalism. Development of modern nationalism in India is connected to the anti-colonial movement. The anti-colonial movement. Development of modern nationalism in India is connected to anti-colonial movement, full stop. When people were oppressed, under British, they shared a bond of unity. A bond, B-O-N-D, shared bonding of unity or bond of unity. Full stop. Next point. But each class and group felt the effects of colonialism, C-O-L-O-N-I-A-L-I-S-M. Please keep the books in front of you so that you do not make any mistake. Felt the effects of colonialism differently, comma, experiences were varied, comma, and their notions of freedom were not same. Full stop. Next point. The Congress under Mahatma Gandhi. The Congress under Mahatma Gandhi tried to unite these groups. Together. Within one movement. But the unity did not emerge without conflict. Now write over there part 1. First World War, Khilafat and non-cooperation. This is the heading. First World War, comma, Khilafat and non-cooperation. This is your part 1 of the chapter. First point, again I am repeating the heading, the First World War, Khilafat and non-cooperation movement. First point, First World War created a new economic and political situation. A new economic and political situation as it had increased heavy defense expenditure in the war. Full stop. This led to, put two colons and a dash. Now ABCD points you are going to write. Okay, so write the first A point. This led to, put a dash. First A point, increasing taxes and custom duties. Increasing taxes and custom duties. Next, B point, income tax was introduced. Income tax was introduced. Next, price increased. Next, D point, extreme hardship for the common people. Extreme hardship for the common people. Next point, forced recruitment. Forced recruitment in the army. These are all the sub points of your point 1. Now you write point 2. In 1918-19, 1918-19 and 1920-21, crops failed in many parts of India. Crops failed in many parts of India, resulting in shortages of food grains, accompanied by influenza epidemic. Influenza, INFLUENZA, influenza epidemic in 1921. Accompanied by influenza epidemic in 1921, 12-13 million. 12 to 13 million people died as a result of famine, FAMINES, famines, and the epidemic. Full stop. Now the third point. At this stage, a new leader appeared and suggested a new mode of struggle. Children, the first chapter we had marked because we had wasted a lot of days in that particular chapter. That is why we were having less time. Okay, we cannot afford to waste our time because there are 17 to 18 chapters which we have to complete. Okay, so anybody who's having this kind of problem, if we are rushing or we are doing this or that, whatever, children, we have to increase our speed because we have to complete the syllabus on time so that you have enough time to prepare. Is that clear? Okay, next is the idea of Satyagraha. The next heading, the idea of Satyagraha. First point, Mahatma Gandhi returned to India. Returned to India in January 1915. In January 1915, from South Africa. From South Africa, again, where he successfully fought. Where he successfully fought against racist, RACIST, racist apartheid, 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 with a novel method, method of agitation, a novel method of mass agitation, novel method of mass agitation, put a dash, Satyagraha. Underline this word, write in capital, Satyagraha. Put a dash, which emphasized, after Satyagraha put a dash, underline this word also, which emphasized the power of truth. The power of truth. Full stop. Next point, it suggested that if the cause was true, and the struggle was against injustice, then physical force was not necessary. Physical force was not necessary to fight the oppressor. Full stop. Next point, without vengeance, VENGEANCE, without vengeance or aggression, a satyagrahi could win the battle. A satyagrahi could win the battle through non-violence. By appealing to the conscience, conscience, to the conscience of the oppressor, put a dash, who had to be persuaded to see the truth, as truth was bound to ultimately triumph. TRIUMPH, triumph. Next point, Gandhiji also believed that non-violence could unite all Indians. Full stop. Next point. Many called it passive. But Mahatma Gandhi said that this power is not passive, but it has intense activity. As it was in South Africa. Full stop. Next point. A satyagrahi does not inflict pain. A satyagrahi does not inflict pain on the adversary, comma, he does not seek his destruction. He does not seek S-E-E-K, seek his destruction. Full stop. Satyagraha, same point. Satyagraha is a pure soul force. S-O-U-L. Satyagraha is a pure soul force, and truth is the base of the soul. Truth is the base of the soul. Full stop. Next point. He also believed that India cannot rival Britain. India cannot rival Britain or Europe in arms, ARMS, as the British worship the war gods. Full stop. Therefore, Indians have made non-violence as their religion. Full stop. Next, 8th point. Before 1920, Mahatma Gandhi organized satyagraha in various places. Put 2 colons and a dash. Now put one dash and a point on top. That is a small point. Okay. First, in 1916, in Champaran, Bihar, for the peasants against the oppressive plantation system. Second point, in 1917, he organized satyagraha to support the peasants of the Kheda district, Kheda, Kheda district of Gujarat. Put two colons. In 1917, he organized a satyagraha to support the peasants of Kheda district of Gujarat, two colons, affected from crop failure and plague epidemic. Next point. In 1918, 1918, Mahatma Gandhi organized Satyagraha movement in Ahmedabad for the cotton mill workers. Full stop. Next heading right over there, the Rowlatt Act, in bracket write 1919. First, Rowlatt Act 1919, 1919. Write it down. First point. In 1919, Gandhiji decided